Hello, children. Today we will learn about tools.
Hello, children. I am a hammer, and I am used for hammering nails. Hi, kids. I am a screwdriver, and I am used for turning screws. Hi, kids. I am an adjustable wrench, and I am used for tightening and loosening nuts. And I am a saw, and I am used for cutting wood.